Hello everyone, today we're going to be explaining how to reapply stain to your wooden Enclo privacy screen. What you'll need is 120 grit sandpaper, an electric sander, wood stain, stain brush, gloves, towel, and your Enclo product. First, carefully power wash your screen. If you don't have a pressure washer, you can use a hose or a damp cloth. Once you finish power washing, let it dry for 48 hours. Once it's dry, start sanding the screen with 120 grit sandpaper, using an electric or a hand sander. With a towel, wipe up the dust after sanding. Next step is staining. We recommend using a semi-transparent stain and sealant combo to really enhance the natural wood grain, but you can use solid stains or exterior paints. Due to heat and UV conditions, you can use any color besides black. Finally, check your forecast because the stain will need to dry for at least 24 hours.